May ahas daw. Asan na yung ahas?
Hi guys! Welcome again to my channel and let's continue our travel vlog here in Taiwan. And let's go! Let's begin our trail. Ang cute ng mga lolo. They are happily playing something like chess. So, dadaan lang tayo dito sa makipot na daan. Nakakatakot pero we'll take care. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta but we're just discovering the place. Ayun na yung pass. We're just discovering the place by walking na lang para ma-memorize namin.
Nauna na pala ako. Kasi, titake naman ng picture si Jin. Ako ay videos. And that's the mountain tea house. I think it's still closed. Redwood house. Dadaan mo. Na maglakad-lakad. Ay! Sorry. Ang cute nito. Come here. And that's again Taipei 101. Nice. I love you, Taiwan. I love you. You're beautiful. Location, but I don't know. Ah, hi Tesla. Tapos ganun yung garage niya. Galing naman. We're just walking. Endless walking.
And we're approaching a temple, I guess. And tama nga. Let's check muna.
Wish, I pray for good health of everyone. Peace also. Siyempre, yung wish namin yun. Yung asawa na
And let's continue our adventure.
Go to check.
And wait lang, may nakita kami. Kailangan namin mag-video.
Ayun kami, hello! Dadaan lang kami. May ahas daw. Asan na yung ahas? I don't know.
Nakaalis na yung ahas. Buti na lang. Hindi namin nakita.
Hindi, papakita ko yung sweet ng mga lola. Where are they? Iniwanan nila ako. Gusto ko silang kuhanan eh. Ako na siya guys.
And let's go down guys. I-check pa namin kung anong trail yung susundin namin.
Yeah. Checking again. So, punta kami ulit doon. So excited.
And let's go down. So may makakasulubong kami. So sila paakyat na, kami pababa pa lang. So imagine na lang mamaya yung paakyat namin. Let's go, adventure tayo ngayon guys.
Kailangan humawak. Kasi, delikado siya. It's going down. Buti pa sila may ganito. Ay, sabagay. May ganito ba sa ano nun? May ganito nun sa Sagada? I'm comparing it with Sagada. Napanood niyo na ba yung Sagada? Please watch my previous video. It's Sagada trip with my friend Jean also. Ayun siya. Check muna siya ng mag-charge muna siya.
And let's continue. And sinusunod lang namin yung path and along the way we see directions naman like that. So, pipili na lang kami kung saan ba yung una naming titignan. And we selected this path kasi may naririnig kami.
Sarap ng hangin. Ang cute naman. So cute. The bridge is so cute. Hi guys! Waterfall. Let's go guys! It's good to be in nature. Thank you po. Tabi-tabi po. Yes. Okay, picture muna si Lin dun. Maganda kasi siya. Maganda yung design. Wow, super going down dito. Wow.
Super slope yung pababa, guys. Yung gusto ko na yung pakita. Pero, mahirap mag-video. So, konti lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. And a little bridge again. So, we'll just rest for a while. Like tatay. And enjoy the view.
Stop. Pwede rin sila maligo doon.
And the trek continues. Ang sarap ng hangin. So, yan. Nagpakuha muna ako ng video naming dalawa. Joke lang. Sinet up ko lang yan. Then, binalikan ko din yung phone ko after. Anyways, why did we include the trekking in our activities? Well, it's because of that reason. Basahin nyo na lang, guys. And a quick rest with this view. And the walk continues.
Nice. It's a wood bridge. Yeah, but safe. Safe. It's all safe. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather. I appreciate it. At eto na nga, paakyat na kami. Grabing healthy trail nila rito. We will practice breathing. It's so madarik. Kaya natin to. We're going up pa. We're in the gubat. I'll show you something amazing. Friend! Ang puno nasa gitna ng trail. Pahinga muna ako. Pagod ako. Gosh. Taas na yung araw. Saan na yan? Wait. We're going up again. Tara. And I'm happy to see the main road na. Guys. Napahirapan namin sarili namin. Pero it's okay. It's worth it naman. See? My defender. Nice. Yeah. We had a healthy trail. Oh, tignan mo. Healthy na ako. Lasing na kami sa kahe-healthy. We're going back. Hello, Volvo again. Yeah. We're going back to the gondola station. And we will head back na. Pupunta na kami sa Chiang Kai-shek Temple. And National Palace Museum. Let's go. Later pala. Later! Ayan ulit siya. Daanan ulit namin. Ang hiling po namin na huwag na po kalimutan.
Hindi naman po kami demanding.
Open na sila. And kumakain. Ang daming kumakain.
Well, nag-shopping muna si Gina ng tea. And umalis na rin kami. Okay. Maghanap na tayo ng coffee naman. Let's go up there. Mag-tea? We're looking for lunch for lunch restaurant. Ice cream, yeah, I want, but I have to, let's eat first before the ice cream. Bye. Tea. Also that one is tea. I think wala na dyan. Oh, doon pa. Let's see. Let's check. Sure. I think wala na dun. Wala akong makakainin. Let's go Taipei. Let's go into Taipei. I'm sorry. Let's go on the other side. Hoping that there will be food here. It's street food. Street food. Ganyan lang ata yung ginaanan nila. How about that one? It's a big restaurant. Or how about this one? So, tayo dyan. Let's try the tea house again. Sorry, maalog. Let's go. That's how they do it. There's a cat. Yes, Virgin. Let's take a sit for a while. Let's go there. There's the Makong tea. Here. Kasali. This one. Thank you. We're going. There's the crystal. And this is
Sorry. Need I crystal?
okay lang.
You want it?
So we're going back now ulit to the city. Tayo naman ito.
Take me up to heaven. Yeah, she got me reaching still. Nothing to stop me falling. Who knew that looks could kill? I don't wonder why I'm breathing heavy like the weight of it's on my chest. On my chest. Cause it ain't no lie, I need it more than any metaphor could express.
We're on the urban side. And the other side is mga green naman. So, yun yung other side. It's more greenery. Green grass. Compared on this side. And then, green. Let's see. Hi!
Ito nyo yung dalawang malaking tower, the Tokyo Tower and the Giraffe, I think. May na-imagine ako bigla dyan. Wait lang. Kita nyo ba guys? Ang liliit na kasi nila eh. Pero pag ganoon siya. Ayun o, yung mga maliliit na yan na gumagalaw. Mga cable cars, yan. Mga gondola. Ba? Gondola pala tawag nila. Oh, tapos na yung journey. Thank you. And exit na kami. Bye-bye, gondola. Thank you for the good trip. May meeting si Jintot, so let's check what's in here. Dito pala daw yung lumang dancing fountain kasi na mukhang hindi na siya ginagamit. And may tour doon. Sila yun sila, parating sila. Ang ganda lang yung sasakyan dito.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Bakit na mga bus ito mga kulay? And there they are. Pupunta na kami sa station ulit. So, para lang silang tutubi. Ang tawag doon, uod.